Alright you guys, here we are at the St. Paul Grand Old Days Festival. We're here with Nature Valley. We're going to be a part of the floats in the parade. We're going to be doing bike tricks. And Dustin says we're going to be pretty sore tomorrow.
Imagine riding for 2 hours, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop. You know,
is that all you can do?
Yeah, that's all I got, bro.
2.5 miles in length?
Yeah, I think it's something like that.
Yeah.
It's a good parade.
300,000 of your neighbors from St. Paul?
Yeah. One year we followed the roller derby, and they were right in front of us, and so they would do little handstands on their roller wheels, and we'd bunny hop through their legs and stuff. So we'll have to find out who we're next to this year. We got some ballerinas, so I'm sure we'll come up with something interesting.
What?
Keep going!
Alright, we just finished up the parade. It was so much fun. It was a blast. We did a whole bunch of tricks. We did some skits. It was a great time. And it's a beautiful day, so things turned out really well. So
that's awesome.
That was that, and I'll see you guys next time.